are just delighted and excited to have you here with us this morning.
It's really been just an honor and a privilege to have been a part of this, to collaborate with you over all these years, and thank you for all you've done. Bringing on Julio Morales, your new CEO.
My wife doesn't believe that I have this many friends, so we're gonna take a picture and we're gonna cheer her up. Perhaps, but it always was pretty.
Yay! Please join me in welcoming Miss Norma, someone who knows what it means to carry both message and mission forward with integrity and impact.
What do airlines and utilities have in common? Turns out a lot and everything, right? And the one thing, like I'm sure all of you wish the customer would see, is our operations.
Decided to no longer utilize the city of San Antonio.
Tell me where my food is located so I know where my meat is.
$10,000. Where is Brad Umbriana from SRP? Oh yeah! There we go. Congratulations, that was awesome. Well, once again, I want to thank our sponsor for this event, Harris Utilities. They do such a fantastic job. And I'd like to introduce my friend Dana, who's going to say a few words for us. Enjoy.
Thanks, Julio. We just want to say we hope you all had a great week. I know you join me in thanking IUCX for putting on a phenomenal show. And we want to thank you for coming and supporting us tonight.